Everyday carry gear and gadgets are designed to simplify life's daily hurdles. With just a couple of carefully chosen items, you can also be prepared to tackle unexpected situations. That brings us to today's video of 35 EDC gear and gadgets everyone will appreciate in 2025. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Oclip Pro EDC Flashlight. The Oclip Pro EDC Flashlight is a versatile and compact clip-on light designed for everyday carry, EDC, and multi-purpose use, making it an ideal addition to your gear for both indoor and outdoor activities. In line with your interest in practical and high-performance tools like the Blackcube cordless soldering iron, Sharpener compass, and Frozen Sonic Saber cutter, the Oclip Pro offers a similar level of utility and portability. This particular model, in orange, features a rechargeable 500 lumen LED that delivers bright and reliable lighting across 3 lighting solutions: white light, red light, and a red flashing mode for emergency signaling. It supports Type-C fast charging and includes a magnetic base and clip, allowing for flexible attachment options, whether you're biking, working hands-free, or need a strong light source on the go. Key features like IPX5 water resistance, multiple mounting options, and a compact, lightweight design make it ideal for applications such as night cycling, camping, emergency signaling, or even DIY repairs in dim environments, perfectly complementing your toolkit of portable, rechargeable gadgets optimized for performance and convenience. Product 2. Product name, Oclip Otacle D1 Titanium Small EDC. The Oclip Otacle D1 Titanium Small EDC Multibit Pocket Screwdriver is a compact and versatile tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, enthusiasts and professionals alike. Crafted from durable TC4 titanium alloy, it offers a lightweight yet robust solution for various precision tasks. Key features. Premium materials. The main body is constructed from TC4 titanium alloy, known for its corrosion resistance and strength. The included bits are made from high-quality S2 steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Compact design, measuring approximately 2.95 by 0.5 by 0.5 inches and weighing just 1.5 ounces, 42.5 g, the Otacle D1 is easy to carry and store. It features a lanyard hole and comes with a lanyard for convenient attachment to keychains or bags. Concealed bit storage. The screwdriver houses for double-ended magnetic hex bits within its handle, providing 8 different sizes: SL 3.5, PH0, T8, T6, H2, H1.5, PH2, and PH00. This design ensures quick access and organization of bits. Product 3. Product name, Big Idea Design TEDC Wrench. The Big Idea Design TEDC Wrench is a premium, ultra-compact adjustable wrench crafted from solid titanium, designed with everyday carry, EDC, enthusiasts in mind. In the context of the tools and gadgets mentioned above, such as the Blackcube cordless soldering iron, razor blade scraper tool, and mini wood planer, this wrench complements a collection built for portability, durability, and multifunctional use in daily tasks or DIY projects. What makes the TEDC wrench stand out is its lightweight yet rugged titanium construction, offering the strength needed for tough jobs without adding bulk. The tool features an innovative slide adjustment mechanism, allowing it to fit over 25 metric and standard-sized bolts, making it highly versatile. This is especially practical for people who value minimalist carry solutions, like users of compact knives or folding tools, who still need reliable performance. Product 4. Product name, EDC Multitool 7-in-1 with Knife. The EDC Multitool 7-in-1 with Knife is a versatile and compact everyday carry tool, ideal for those who appreciate functionality and preparedness in a sleek, pocket-sized design. Finished in bright silver, this multitool combines 7 essential tools into one durable and easy-to-carry device, making it a great addition to your gear lineup, or a thoughtful gift for men who enjoy practical gadgets. In the context of the previously mentioned compact gear like the small pocket knife with carabiner, this multitool takes utility a step further by incorporating a folding knife, wrench, screwdriver, bottle opener, ruler, and emergency tools like a car window breaker and seatbelt cutter. These features make it especially useful for everyday tasks, quick fixes, and emergency situations, whether you're outdoors, traveling, or commuting. Its lightweight build and smart folding mechanism ensure it fits easily in a pocket or on a keychain, aligning well with other EDC essentials for convenience and readiness on the go. Product 5. Product name: Maxpedition Micro Pocket Organizer. The Maxpedition Micro Pocket Organizer is a compact and durable everyday carry (EDC) solution designed for individuals who need efficient organization in a small package. In the context of the above interest in tactical, outdoor, and portable tools like mini folding knives, small hand planers, carabiner knives, and digital thermometers, the Maxpedition Micro Pocket Organizer serves as an ideal accessory to keep these compact gadgets neatly arranged and easily accessible. Crafted from high-strength 1050 denier ballistic nylon with a Teflon fabric protector for grime and water resistance, this micro organizer features a clamshell opening with a full dual zipper closure and paracord pull handles. Inside, the layout includes multiple elastic loops, a mesh pocket, and slip pockets that secure small tools and accessories such as multitools, flashlights, pens, USB drives, and more. Despite its compact 6-inch by 4-inch size, the organizer maximizes storage space without becoming bulky, making it perfect for pocket, bag, or glove compartment carry. Product 6. Product name: Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a compact and reliable everyday carry (EDC) tool designed for those who value portability without compromising performance. With its 2.98-inch D2 steel blade, this knife delivers exceptional edge retention, strength, and durability, making it well suited for a wide range of tasks, from outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, and survival, to everyday utility use. The G10 handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, while the integrated pocket clip ensures discreet and convenient carry for both men and women. In the context of your interest in practical, compact tools such as mini hand planers, pocket knives, and multifunctional gear, the Civivi Mini Praxis fits perfectly into a streamlined kit. Its thoughtful design, smooth deployment, and solid locking mechanism make it a favorite among both casual users and enthusiasts who appreciate high-quality craftsmanship in their EDC gear. Whether you're slicing cord, opening packages, or handling tasks in the wild, the Mini Praxis delivers consistent performance in a sleek, stylish package. Product 7. Product name: Sharpener 101N6 in 1 Pocket Knife Sharpener. The Sharpener 101N6 in 1 Pocket Knife Sharpener and Survival Tool is a compact, versatile device ideal for anyone who values utility and preparedness, especially those already interested in everyday carry (EDC) tools like the small pocket knife for men or mini folding knives mentioned above. This multifunctional tool isn't just a knife sharpener, it's an essential piece of gear for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, or even for basic home use. Key features: 6-in-1 design, combines a coarse carbide blade and fine ceramic slot for quick knife edge repair and honing, along with a tapered diamond rod for sharpening serrated edges and gut hooks. Fire starter, ferro rod perfect for emergency fire starting in outdoor or survival situations. High decibel emergency whistle, adds a layer of safety, especially for hiking or wilderness adventures. Compact and lightweight, fits easily into your pocket, EDC kit, or backpack. Durability, constructed with rugged materials, making it reliable in harsh conditions. Product 8. Product name: Fiskars Sewing Kit. The Fiskars Sewing Kit, 27-piece travel sewing set with case, craft supplies, orange is a convenient and compact solution for sewing enthusiasts, crafters, and travelers alike. Designed by Fiskars, a trusted name in crafting tools, this sewing kit is tailored to meet basic sewing and mending needs whether you're at home or on the go. This 27-piece set includes a curated selection of essential tools such as scissors, needles, thread spools, buttons, a seam ripper, measuring tape, thimble, and more, all neatly organized in a durable zippered orange carrying case. The compact design makes it ideal for keeping in a drawer, bag, or suitcase, making it perfect for quick fixes, alterations, or creative projects while traveling. With Fiskars' reputation for quality and ergonomic design, this kit is especially suited for beginners, students, or anyone looking to have a reliable, ready-to-use sewing kit at hand. Product 9. Product name Ebelstock Switchblade Pack. The Ebelstock Switchblade Pack is a low-profile tactical everyday carry (EDC) backpack designed to maximize space and organization without compromising on discretion. With a 29.3-liter capacity and weighing 3.6 pounds, it offers a compact yet spacious solution for those requiring efficient gear management. Key features: concealed carry accessibility. Equipped with rare earth magnetic openings, the pack allows quick access to ambidextrous concealed handgun pouches from either side, accommodating most handguns, including full-frame automatics. Organized storage. The top lid pocket reveals 2 magazine pouches and additional organizing features. Inside, a document divider securely holds items like iPads, laptops, or even short-barreled rifles. The front oversized pocket provides quick access to essential items. External pockets. Each side features drawstring cup holder pockets and flat side zip pockets, enhancing the pack's versatility. MAL-10 webbing. The innovative MAL-10 webbing system offers the ability to carry standard 3-row MAL accessories with a 60% weight reduction compared to traditional 25mm MAL matrices. Product 10. Product name The Mighty Bar. The Mighty Bar by Gearspool is a compact yet powerful tool designed for those who value practicality and preparedness in their everyday carry (EDC) gear. This heavy-duty keychain pry bar is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering both durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. Despite its small size, the Mighty Bar delivers impressive functionality, serving as a reliable multi-tool that fits seamlessly on your keychain. Perfect for tasks like opening boxes, lifting staples, light prying, or scraping surfaces, the Mighty Bar is ideal for anyone who needs a discreet yet effective tool within reach, whether you're at work, on the go, or tackling everyday challenges. Designed with EDC enthusiasts in mind, it blends minimalist design with rugged performance, making it a must-have keychain companion for mechanics, DIYers, hikers, and urban commuters alike. Whether paired with a mini folding knife or other compact gadgets, the Mighty Bar enhances your readiness without adding bulk. Product 11. Product name Nightcore EDC23. The Nightcore EDC23 is a compact, ultra-slim flashlight designed for everyday carry (EDC), offering a blend of high performance and user-friendly features. With a maximum output of 2,500 lumens and a beam distance of up to 280 meters, it delivers. Key features: brightness levels. Offers 5 brightness settings: turbo, 2500 lumens, high, 1100 lumens, mid, 200 lumens, low, 65 lumens, and ultra low, 15 lumens, along with a strobe mode 4. OLED display, equipped with a multifunctional OLED display that provides real-time information on brightness level, remaining battery voltage, runtime, and lockout mode. USB-C rechargeable. Features a built-in 1500 mAh Li-ion battery that can be fully charged via USB-C in approximately 1.5 hours, ensuring quick readiness. Durability. Constructed with a high-strength stainless steel body and PVD titanium coating, the EDC23 is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance and is impact resistant up to 2 meters. Product 12. Product name Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a tactical tool designed for everyday carry (EDC), combining durability, versatility, and ease of use. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably in pockets or attaches securely to gear, making it a reliable companion for various daily tasks. Blade and performance. Crafted from 7CR17 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, the knife's blade offers a balance between sharpness and edge retention. The drop-point shape is ideal for general-purpose cutting, while the partially serrated edge enhances its capability to cut through tougher materials like rope or fibrous substances. A black oxide finish provides additional protection against corrosion. Handle and ergonomics. The handle is constructed from aluminum, providing a lightweight yet sturdy grip. Textured surfaces ensure a secure hold, even in wet conditions. Ergonomic design features, including jimping on the back of the handle and blade, offer enhanced control during use. Product 13. Product name: Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. The Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit is a compact and affordable emergency preparedness solution designed for everyday situations and outdoor adventures. With 27 essential pieces, this kit offers a well-rounded assortment of first aid supplies in a travel-friendly, mini case, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're hiking, camping, biking, or simply need a small emergency kit for daily activities, the Coleman Mini First Aid Kit has you covered. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a bag, car, or even a bike compartment, ensuring that you're always prepared for minor injuries or emergencies. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and those who enjoy spontaneous adventures, this kit provides peace of mind with basic supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and more, all neatly organized for quick access. Product 14. Product name: Small Pocket Knife. The Small Pocket Knife for Men is a versatile and practical tool designed for everyday carry, EDC. Featuring a compact 1.34-inch stainless steel blade, it doubles as both a keychain box cutter and a mini folding knife, making it perfect for tasks like cutting boxes, opening packages, or general small cutting duties. Its sleek, portable design ensures that it can be conveniently carried in pockets or attached to a keychain for easy access. This knife is marketed as a great stocking stuffer gift for men, offering both utility and style. Its lightweight and space-saving nature make it an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable, go-to cutting tool on the move, especially for those who appreciate gadgets that are functional yet discreet. Ideal for a range of everyday tasks, this small pocket knife is an excellent addition to any EDC collection. Product 15. Product name: Carabiner Multitool. The Carabiner Multitool 8-in-1 is a versatile and compact tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, enthusiasts, campers, climbers, and those who enjoy outdoor activities. Combining multiple essential tools into a single carabiner design, it offers convenience and functionality in a lightweight package. This multitool includes pocket knife, a sharp, serrated blade for cutting tasks. Rope cutter, ideal for quick and safe rope cutting during outdoor activities. Screwdriver, provides multiple functions for tightening or loosening screws. Can bottle opener, a handy tool for opening cans or bottles while out in the wilderness or on a camping trip. Ruler, a measuring tool for quick, small measurements when needed. Survival gear, this multi-tool ensures you're prepared for various outdoor survival situations, making it a valuable addition to your gear. Product 16. Product name: KeyUnity EDC Belt Keychain Clip Quick Release. The KeyUnity EDC Belt Keychain Clip Quick Release is a durable and convenient accessory designed to securely attach your keys to your belt, pants, jeans, or trousers. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this keychain clip offers a blend of strength and resilience, ensuring your keys remain safely fastened throughout daily activities. Key features: secure belt attachment, designed to clip firmly onto belts or waistbands up to 1.5 inch, 3.8 centimeters wide. The clip ensures your keys stay in place during movement. Quick release mechanism, the clip allows for easy one-handed operation, enabling swift attachment and detachment of key rings without hassle. Enhanced key security, featuring a robust spring gate and a push lever design, the clip securely holds your keys, minimizing the risk of accidental loss or theft. Ample capacity, equipped with a key ring, the clip can accommodate up to 3 key rings, providing organized storage for car keys, home keys, and other essentials. Versatile compatibility, the clip complements various attire, including pants, jeans, shorts, and trousers, making it a practical accessory for everyday use.